Hi, while going through my comment section, I found a comment which speaks about that I need to make a video on interview techniques specifically for regional manager and as well as for the zonal manager in pharma industry. Once you are in the interview process, you have told about your family background, your professional background. For a mid-level manager, this question, what is the value addition you will bring in once you join our organization? I'll explain how to answer this question. Suppose the same question has been asked to me. I'll answer, sir, I have always been working on two parameters since I have become manager. One is operational excellence and second is strategic intervention. If I talk of operational excellence, first I'll work on the SFE, which is sales force effectiveness, because my sales force need to be effective. Once I work upon the sales force effectiveness, then obviously I look into the marketing intervention. Then you need to tell, sir, as I have been working for last this many years in the pharma industry, I have always been a team player. I have always followed the process because I strongly believe process driven sales is always sustainable, and the process would only be possible if I have a superb team. So me as a mid-level manager need to understand the team matrix, how the team placed, what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses. Once I identify the gaps, I start working on them, which will be long term. Then I'll always have lot of strategic intervention in terms of driving the campaign. Whatever the marketing team has designed, I'll try to do the campaign as per the plan, and I'll try to feedback to the marketing team so that I understand what are the gaps and where I need to exactly pitch in. So once you talk of these 2 points, one is the operational excellence and second is the strategic intervention, I'm sure they will understand what are your belief system. Then you need to say, sir, if I get a chance to work for your esteemed organization, I'll bring in my 30, 20 or 15 years of experience, my skill set, my hunger of learning, my desire and passion to achieve my targets, and to take entire team along with me, because I've been a team player and I've always been a performer throughout my career, and I always believed in process driven performance, because I believe there are two P's. One is the prescriptions, second is the prescriber. So I need to drive my team, align my team so that they start working on increasing the prescriber base as well as increasing the prescriptions. I'm sure it would help you in cracking your interview. In case you feel that still some topic has to be covered, so that I'll try to address those topics. And if you feel that this video would add some value to your professional as well as your personal journey, then do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.